We know its bones. We know its name. But the dodo is more than a joke about a bird that disappeared. Today, the dodo is just bone and glass, a symbol of extinction. But once, on the island of Mauritius, this bird filled the forest with life. With no land predators to fear, the dodo evolved for comfort, not for speed or flight. In the 1600s, visitors arrived, sailors and settlers, bringing a new kind of danger. Unafraid, the dodos walked right up to the newcomers, curiosity instead of caution.
Hunting, hungry animals, falling trees, pressure built from every side, faster than the birds could adapt.
Within a few decades, their flocks were gone. Somewhere, one of the last dodos stood alone. The world barely noticed when it vanished. Only stories and scattered bones remained. The dodo wasn't stupid. It was simply unprepared for us. Its story warns how quickly we can erase a species, and how carefully we must protect the ones that remain.